So apparently the diff blew up. We're gonna re-weld it and gotta get it clean, you know? This is the way to do it. Almost blew myself up out there.
You wasn't thinking for a second.
I wasn't thinking. I had the second part out there just spraying it like an asshole and
What the fuck did you expect? We're gonna weld it until it's liquid.
I'm pretty sure this thing ain't getting loose ever again. This thing ain't going nowhere. We gotta be sure to snap the axles next time, you know? No more diff snapping. So we got the diff out here. This thing's welded up real good. This thing is never gonna break again. If this thing breaks, like, I don't even know anymore. Because, like, right now, the only thing that can actually break is the axles. What went wrong is because if you look out here, a normal open diff doesn't look like this. Out here, why aren't you focusing? Bruh, you had one job. So you have those holes. There's like 4 of those, apparently. At first I thought 2, but apparently 4. You can't really weld in there too well. Like, you gotta open it up, and I got a picture up screen that shows what I did, but this thing's pretty mint now. This thing ain't never breaking. This diff is fully built now. I'm gonna put it back into the car.
Spinny boy.
And we're gonna fill it up, even though I don't have enough fluid.
Enough to test.
There's enough to test it, yeah. I just kept a tiny bit of play on it, not much. I just put it back to where it was, I think. I think this is where it was. Either it's like 1 away clock back, but I don't think so.
Okay. We have 2-wheel drive.
You need to keep like a tiny bit of clearance, and this is like a tiny bit of clearance. I don't have the stuff that you put on the gears.
Yeah, but we have
and then adjust it.
the old guidance points, so yeah, we'll
I'm
be
not a
fine.
pro. I just put it back to where it was. I'm gonna put it back into the car now. It's gonna be mint. So, just picked up a rear end from a Lada 2107, I believe, which is a really popular Lada. I know basically nothing about this rear end, and it's gonna be hard maybe to re-drill because I don't know what's going on with this drum brake. It's kind of weird, some Russian stuff, along with some wheels, which we can definitely use maybe. Pretty shitty wheels, but we'll see if we can maybe re-weld the mounts or something. I don't know, maybe it's even close or almost able to bolt in as it is. I don't know, but we'll see what we can do with it. We got it for free. Didn't have to pay a single penny, which I'm not gonna say no to. If I can't do shit with it, you know, like, I'm not losing anything. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a screw in my tire. Dang, I got a flat one. Shit. Have some steel wheels that need tires still for the next drift event. These old rain tires, they're a no-go for drifting, I'm telling you. And we have these Miata wheels. Roda grids. Whew, they're heavy. But we needed to swap some tires because they did not fit on the drift car. These are the drift car wheels. These need smaller tires. I was running the Toyo Proxys at a 195 by 50. It was rubbing really bad. Did not really fit. A 45 fits fine. No rubbing issues or fitment issues or whatever. So today I picked up these tools. So we can finally get this ball joint off and get to work on this knuckle so we can cut it again. I'm gonna shorten it a lot more, and this time I'm gonna make something to mount it in before I weld it, so it's actually put in place and everything is, you know, not gonna be fucked up when I drive it. You feel me? Right now I'm still doing a lot for the drift event on, I believe it's 25 or 24th of May. It's gonna be pretty much the same exact event. Last time we had some problems here and there with the car. I'm getting my tire situation sorted out. Those Steelies had rain tires on them and we were drifting in the wet. Like, it was gripping the fuck up. It was crazy. And then we swapped to those, and even though we had a broken axle, with those tires we were able to drift with literally one axle, like just fine. The whole afternoon we was shredding. I did not have video of it. I do have interior footage of it. I had a camera on the cage. I'm gonna be uploading that as well. By the time you watch this, I might already have uploaded it. We got a lot of wheels out here. Some of them, like those right there, those Kyusha looking ones. I don't know what brand these are. I got these for, I believe, either 250 or 350, but they looked fucked up. They had a lot of work going on to be looking this good. So I'm still gonna be putting in a lot more work. This one looks really good as well, but the tire just looks like shit, so it makes the contrast very weird. This is how it looked. No, this is not how it looked like when I got him. This one looks really good actually, compared to how I got him. But I'm still sanding on this one, and I'm doing everything by hand. So the white Rhoda grits, these are from my Miata. I had those 45s on there, and I swapped them because I wanted to have grippy front tires, but these are 50. They rub like a bitch on this fucking Corolla. Like, I just need to run 45s. And as for these wheels, I originally bought them for my Miata, my Yuna's Roadster, but they look so damn good on this drift car. And I'm gonna look for somebody to drill out 4 more holes, just like that. And then we can slap that thing on that, and it's gonna look crazy. Crazy good, that is.
2 hours later.
Lighting may be really bad out here, but I'm gonna cut this knuckle right now. We're gonna re-weld it, and first we're gonna create something where we put this thing in, have some bolts, have everything in place, and then flip it over for the other side. So the other side is the exact same because the alignment right now is really whack. It's really fucked up. So this thing should be cut about right now. I'm gonna shorten this part. I don't know if it's hot. Okay, it's kind of hot, but I'm gonna cut more off of this. Oh yeah, it's really hot now. I'm gonna cut a bit more off of it right there on the side, and then I'm gonna be re-welding it. I gotta say, this thing looks pretty damn good. I did go at it with an angle grinder. Looking at it, I really like it. It's not perfect, and I was having some problems with my welder, but it turned out alright. I hope you can see this, but this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I went at it with an angle grinder a little bit much, but so I got out here the left side knuckle, and this one I flipped over. This one should be just perfect, just like the other side, exactly the same, so we're not gonna have weird Ackerman. Like when we go to the left, we would have less Ackerman, and we would go to the right and we would have more Ackerman, for an example. That's what I had going on before. Which direction, I don't know, but you get the gist. So I'm gonna weld this thing up real good. I'll be back in a minute when this thing is all welded up. Then I'm gonna grind it up again, so it's nice and smooth like the other one. This one I installed already. This one is all good to go, kinda. The only thing I got going on out here is these cotter pins. This one has been used like, I would say about 7 times maybe that I opened it up, maybe, and then closed it. So these are junk. I'm just gonna get some new ones tomorrow. Then I'm gonna put the cotter pin back and tighten everything up. Okay, so look at this one. This one is clean AF. Like, it's not perfect maybe. That's just burnt off stuff. I don't know, like, it's pretty hot. I'm kind of burning myself, but dang. So I just put the wheel on to check for the fitment, and I'm hitting the caster arm out there. Maybe I need a little more offset on my wheels. If I have extended studs, I can put spacers, but I don't have extended studs right now, so cannot do that, but would be nice. I'm gonna be signing off for today because it's like, what, 5 a.m. I believe? Let me see. 4:32 a.m. And then we got our new front bumper that we picked up for, I paid 180 bucks, and then I had spent like 30 bucks on gas for the drive because it was almost a 3-hour drive in total, I believe. I like it, but the only thing it needs is a lip because it looks a bit dull without the lip. Like the A86 Cookie, it has like a little lip like built in basically, and it was a little longer. So this front is way shorter. I kind of like it because like I paid 180 bucks on it in total with the gas money, everything, like probably 200 or 210. But A86 bumpers, and this is a Cookie one, a JDM one, so they're pretty damn expensive these days. And I had to re-weld my hood hinges, kind of, because like I put spacers on here, but stuff was cracking and like my hood was coming off, kind of. And I welded it up real good, but now I got 2 burn marks on here. So we gotta repaint this hood. This time I'm gonna do it properly. I'm gonna get the same design, like exactly the same basically. Just put like legit paint on it. There's a little spot that I wanna, a little dent that I wanna bondo. I'm just gonna bondo it because like, I'm gonna end this video right here, and if you enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe. As for the front, the Ackerman is kinda fixed a little bit. It still has like a ton of Ackerman, and like I kinda wanna get rid of it, but yeah, I just welded the knuckle parallel with the strut, so it should have been at 0, but due to probably other stuff that is not really built as it should be, it's acting kind of whack, my alignment, like, not gonna lie, like, so it is what it is. So it's pretty crazy how clean this thing is. It doesn't have a single scratch on it or anything. This thing is brand new out of the box for 180 bucks, boys.